How to upload files to Chatgpt on PC. This tutorial shows you how to add documents, images, and other files directly into your Chatgpt conversation on your Windows 11 browser. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC. From there, go to chatgpt.com and log into your account. At this point, click on the plus icon next to the message field at the bottom. From there, click on Upload from Computer. After that, browse to the file you want to upload and click on it to select it. In the next step, click on Open to attach the file to your conversation. From there, the file will appear as a small preview above the message field once it is uploaded. Once done, type your question or instructions about the file in the message field. Following this, press Enter or click on the send icon to submit both your message and the uploaded file together. From here, ChatGPT will read the file and respond based on its contents, along with your question. At this stage, if you want to upload multiple files at once, click on the plus icon again before sending and repeat the same steps for each additional file. Keep in mind, there are limits on file size and the number of files you can upload depending on your ChatGPT plan, so very large files or too many at once may not upload successfully. Finally, review ChatGPT's response and confirm it has correctly read and understood the content of your uploaded file. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload files to ChatGPT on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.